All right, how you doing? So today we got an iPad Mini 4. The customer wants to retrieve data off of it, so we're gonna go ahead and get this started. It has a problem where it starts and then it just dies with a red screen. Um, from the research that I've done, it was most likely the battery, but as we soon find out, it was not the battery, or not just the battery at the very least. Um, so either way, we're still going to go through the procedure. You can see me starting to take apart the touch screen, and of course, we're going to use some heat and a bunch of IPA. Isopropyl alcohol, 99%. Gets the job done every time. Be very, very careful, very gentle to not break the glass or the screen itself. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And from here, we're just going to do a battery swap. Pretty typical. Unplug the battery. It does have a bunch of adhesive on it, so do be very mindful. Don't use any metal objects or anything like that. Um, Always use a ton of IPA on it, and I mean a ton, as much as you need. Plastic spatula works, as you'll see later on. Um, and that's pretty much it. So enjoy the rest of the video and have a good day. See you guys.